In this lesson, we're going to talk about walk-around problems. And walk-around problems can be used with the two-tangent theorem, or it can be used with the fact that all radii of a circle are congruent. So in this case, we're going to use it with the second definition of radii. And we're going to apply it to this problem with three different size circles, circle A, circle B, and circle C. We're given that circle AB is 8, BC is 13, and AC is 11. And what we want to do is we want to find the radii of each of the circles. So we're going to use a walk-around problem to solve this particular problem from our walk-around solution or process to solve this particular problem. The first thing we want to do is we want to identify a variable. And in this case, we're going to say that from A to the point of tangency of circle B is going to be x. And I'm just going to label this point G. That means that we know that A to this point of tangency, which I'll call H, is also going to be x. Okay? Now, if AG is x and AH is x, and AB is 8, then I know that GB is going to be 8, which is AB, minus GA. Okay? So this value here from G to B is going to be 8 minus x. So one more time. If I know that AG is x, and I know GB is some value, and I know AB is 8, and I know that AB minus AG is equal to GB. Or I have AB, which is 8, minus x is equal to GB. So I want to solve this problem by equating all of the segments or the radii in terms of x. Well, I know that if AG is x and GB is 8 minus x, then I'm going to call this point of tangency here between these two circles I. I know that BI is also going to be 8 minus x, right? Because I know that GB and BI are radii of the same circle. Now I walk over to AC, and if AH is x, then I know that HC is going to be 11 minus x. And I know because all radii of a circle are congruent, IC is going to be 11 minus x. So now all I have to do is figure out what the value is for x. Well, I'm given that AB is 8, BC is 13, and AC is 11. So I know that my perimeter is equal to the sum of those two values, those three values. So the perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus AC, which is equal to 8 plus 13 plus 11, which is equal to 32. Well, I also know that I can use the value of x and each of the radii to figure out what the value of x is for each of the radii. So I have AG plus GB, or x plus 8 minus x, plus BI, which is 8 minus x, plus 11 minus x, plus 11 minus x, plus x is equal to 32. If I simplify the equation, now I have 2x plus 16 minus 2x plus 22 minus 2x is equal to 32. Or if I have 2x, negative 2x, and negative 2x, that leaves me with negative 2x. Plus 16 plus 22 is plus 38 is equal to 32. Or I have negative 2x is equal to 32 minus 38, which is negative 6. Or x is equal to 3. Now I found what x is. I can now find what the other radii are. So I know the radii of circle A are going to be 3. The radii of circle B are going to be 8 minus 3, or 5. And the radii of IC, or circle C, are going to be 11 minus 3, or 8. So I'm left with radii of 3, 8 minus 3, and 11 minus 3, or 3, 5, and 8.